expressing that Christmas our teachers and parents mediate. Today I would like to speak a few words on an important topic because they were studying not as a very size of independent girls take all child concerned as a birthday. Various parts of India many girls have to face under basic discrimination in the society as we have seen they don't know. In our case, as very any born baby is after on the roadside just because she is many times a guardian is killed evening before she takes birth. Apart from this, many face other problems like cost education, child marriage, road domestic violence, and so on. We have the society need understand that girl are important boys to maintain that today girl out. I work are hard working and that their families financial. Today the girls are educated and serve well all of you. Thank.
Awesome.